Did you know? New Yorkers bite 10 times more people than sharks do worldwide each year. According to legend, cats were created when a lion on Noah's Ark sneezed and 2 kittens came out. Knitting acts as a natural antidepressant and can help ease anxiety, depression, and chronic pain. It can also protect the brain from aging. Candyland was created 70 years ago to give kids stuck in polio wards a way to vicariously move freely in the pursuit of delights. The original board featured a boy in a leg brace about to walk through starting gate of the game.